Master the art of persuasion, improving your English language skills for debates and discussions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's vital for effective debates and discussions, using persuasive language. Remember, persuasive language is not just about convincing others but also about making your point clear, concise, and compelling. So, let's jump in. Persuasive language plays a key role in debates and discussions. It is the way you use words and phrases to convince your audience about your point of view. It makes your arguments more effective and your points more impactful. Mastering this skill will not only help you win debates but also improve your communication skills in all areas of life. Now, let's talk about some specific persuasive language techniques. One of the most common is the use of strong, action-oriented verbs. These verbs can make your argument more dynamic and compelling. For example, instead of saying, "I think," use more assertive language like, "I believe," or "I assert." Another powerful technique is the use of logical and emotional appeals. Logical appeals use reason and facts to persuade, while emotional appeals tap into the audience's feelings to make a point. Remember, a successful argument often needs a balance of both. Now, let's see some examples of persuasive language in action. Logical appeal. Research shows that implementing renewable energy sources can reduce carbon emissions by up to 40%. Emotional appeal. Imagine a world where our children can breathe clean air and enjoy a safe environment. Strong, action-oriented verb. I urge everyone to take immediate action to reduce carbon emissions. These sentences use the techniques we've discussed to create compelling, persuasive statements. The key to mastering persuasive language is practice. Engage in debates and discussions whenever possible. Analyze speeches and writings of effective communicators. Look for the techniques we discussed and observe how they are used. And remember, persuasive language isn't about manipulation, but it's about presenting your ideas in a strong, convincing manner. Always base your arguments on truth and respect for others' perspectives. That's all for today's video on using persuasive language in debates and discussions. I hope you found it useful and are excited to start incorporating these techniques into your own language skills. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, your words have power. Use them wisely. Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you in our next English language learning video. Until then, happy learning!